Reusable Nespresso pods have become a practical option for coffee enthusiasts who want to cut waste, customize blends, and reduce overall spend without sacrificing the convenience of single-serve machines. This comparison evaluates 5 widely available kits that cover Vertuo and Original Line ecosystems, focusing on compatibility.
List number 1. Reusable Virtual Capsule Pods Kit for Nespresso with 100 PC AL foil seals lids. This Sutozai kit is tailored for Virtual Line capsules and ships with a capsule base, 100 aluminum foil seal lids, a cleaning brush, and a scoop, pods not included. It emphasizes waste reduction and affordability, with compatibility limited to Virtual Line sizes, not Original Line. The kit's all-in-one nature simplifies setup for users who already own Vertuo machines and want to experiment with custom blends using their preferred grounds. Priced at $12.05, places it in the budget to mid-tier, making it a strong contender for new adopters seeking lower upfront costs. Performance-wise, the 100 aluminum foil seals are designed to provide tight seals for Vertuo sizes, from 1.35 ounces to 7.77 ounces, and the base facilitates straightforward pod creation. Real-world use shows consistent sealing and minimal leakage when lids are pressed evenly. The primary considerations include ensuring proper foil alignment and avoiding overfilling, which can affect extraction quality. User experience benefits from clear instructions and a lightweight form factor, though the lack of included pods means you'll need to source compatible coffee separately.
List number 2. Nessus Reusable Kit for Nespresso Pods Vertuo. The Nessus kit emphasizes an all-in-one Vertuo solution with a holder, 100 foil lids, and a cleaning brush. It is marketed as an easy way to refill Vertuo capsules with a focus on preventing barcode obstruction and providing a tighter seal. At $11.98, it sits at the budget end while promising improved adhesion and tear resistance thanks to thicker aluminum lids designed to resist tearing during reuse. Performance-wise, Nessus highlights a larger foil lid design intended to avoid covering the machine's barcode while providing airtight seals. The kit is designed to be easy to pre-fill and store, with a strong emphasis on avoiding contact with adhesive areas to keep fingers clean. In practice, users report reliable sealing and consistent extractions when the pods are properly filled and tamped. The main caveats involve ensuring empty capsules are fully compatible with the provided holder and confirming not to obstruct the barcode during machine loading. List number 3. Reusable Pods Kit for Nespresso Vertuo. This Soda Z kit mirrors the Vertuo Focus design with a 100-count lid set, base, brush, and scoop. It is slightly more expensive at $12.53, but bundles a comprehensive set designed to streamline the refill process for Virtual Line users who want to explore multiple grind profiles. The packaging emphasizes waste reduction and consistent sealing for a clean brew experience. Performance-wise, the kit's utility lies in its user-friendly assembly. Insert empty capsule into the base, fill with coffee, align foil lids, and press to seal. The 100-count lid assortment helps maintain a steady workflow for hobbyists who pre-fill batches. However, since it is not compatible with Original Line, buyers must ensure their machine is compatible. Cleaning is straightforward with the included brush, though long-term durability of aluminum seals depends on handling and repeated use. List number 4. Capmesso Reusable Capsules for Nespresso Original Line. The Capmesso Original Line set is a premium stainless steel option with 6 refillable pots, 100 aluminum lids, and a wood storage tray. Priced at $19.15, it targets Original Line users who want durability, crema preservation, and a tangible storage solution. The stainless steel construction promises longevity with claims of up to 10,000 uses and strong glue foiling for sealing. Performance-wise, the stainless steel pods are designed for high-temperature extractions with reliable crema due to robust materials and a secure lid latch design. The included wood tray adds organization and suggests a premium unboxing experience. The trade-offs include higher upfront cost and the potential for longer maintenance due to metal surfaces requiring thorough cleaning to avoid flavor carryover. It's best suited for users who frequently brew and value long-term durability over minimalism.
List number 5. Reusable pods for Nespresso Virtuo machine. This ZIHIRCD set offers a single 230 milliliter stainless steel reusable pod with a silicone lid, plus a spoon and brush. Priced at $17.89, it emphasizes a complete Virtuo-compatible package with a larger capacity and all necessary accessories for filling and maintenance. It's positioned as a mid to premium option, leveraging stainless steel 304 for durability and a BPA-free silicone lid to prevent leaks. Performance-wise, the 230 milliliter pod provides a larger capacity that can accommodate finer grind settings and longer extraction profiles typical of Virtuo machines. The silicone lid helps seal without compromising release during puncture, contributing to cleaner operation. The included spoon and brush simplify daily use, though users should verify fit with their specific Virtuo Next or Virtuo Plus variants. Cleaning stainless steel requires attention to dry thoroughly to prevent water spots and potential buildup.